Johnny here, guys, and today I'm bringing you another exciting video on a stock you may not have heard of because nobody's talking about it, and it's ticker symbol CPRX, or Catalyst Pharmaceuticals. Why isn't anybody talking about this $4 stock? I mean, this is almost borderline. This is penny stock. This is a penny stock right here, almost $4 to date, guys. And you know what, before we start this video, I'm gonna do this right off the bat, and I'm gonna buy one on the live stream here. Why? Because that's what I think is so important about this company. And you know what, I'm only gonna buy one. Let's see if I go to exit. I'm only going to buy one here, guys, but you know what? It's going to be worth it. And let me tell you why I'm buying a share right off the bat, because I believe in this company, guys. Catalyst Pharmaceuticals is at a great price right now. In 1 year, it doesn't have an amazing return, but let me tell you, it has something. Let's get into some of the statistics here now that I have my share that I purchased. It is up 60% for a penny stock. That is pretty amazing in 1 year. It is up $1.52, and it has had some highs and lows. I absolutely love the volatility of this stock because you can buy in at $2.91 and within just a couple of months you can sell at $6. You could buy back in at $3 a month later and you could sell again at $7.43 in September. That's a 200% gain if you were to have sold at that point. Look at that, 197% profit, guys. So you can definitely play off this. You could do some amazing swing trades with this. Maybe not so much day trades, but definitely some swing trades long term. Let's look at the 5-year chart here, guys. Now, it had a stock price of $5.20 back in 2015. It dropped dramatically in May 2016 to 61 cents. Isn't that unbelievable? 61 cents is what the stock price was at one point in time. You could have bought this company and you would have gained a lot of money if you sold at the $6 or $7 mark. But nonetheless, this is still a good company to get in with. Why? Because volatility is there. Why else? Why? Because it is a 100% buy rating right now by Sixth Analyst. It has just passed its Q4 earnings report, estimated, saying that it is going to be making a earnings per share of 13 cents. And that has been verified with Google's quarterly financial statement. That has been verified, guys. 13 cents earnings per share. That is pretty amazing. Now, why did I do this? Why? Because I believe in the CEO, Patrick J. McEnany. And I probably said his name wrong, but you know what? That's okay. His headquarters is in Florida, founded in 2002, and they employ 51 employees. Now, this is a biopharmaceutical company that engages in development and commercialization of therapies for people that help with neuromuscular and neurological diseases. Now, with this recent report that I read, they are on track to make $30 million now in 2020. And that has also been confirmed with Google quarterly financials. If you want to check that out, revenues of $30 million with a net income of $13 million. They have a net profit margin of 44%, guys. This company is on fire right now. Nobody is talking about it. I think more people need to own this company because, guys, it is an amazing company. It's in the 100 most popular under 25. It's in technology, biopharmaceutical, pharmaceutical health, and biotechnology. Tags, if you're interested in that, on Robinhood. I bought my share, guys. And again, let's go over just a little bit more. It's saying that it has been able to... It's noted that Firdapse's ongoing pivotal study as a treatment for anti-MuSK antibody positive myasthenia gravis, or aka MuSK-MG, remains on track to produce top-line data in the first half of 2020. So their research is working toward getting certain drugs out to help people make their life simpler and easier, guys. This is a great company. They're saying that they could see a quick 10% gain now in the beginning of 2020, and I believe I've already starting to witness that. Kind of here toward this first month, had 6% gain in 1 month starting out January 1st. So there's already been a lot of great potential for this company coming out. It's going to bounce, guys. It's going to go up. I believe it can go up to $6, possibly even $7. But remember, do your own research. And I just like to find these stocks and let you guys know what I think. I think it's a great company to get involved with. I bought one share now because I sold a free share from someone signing up with my link. If you haven't signed up with it yet below, go ahead and do that. The link is below this video. I have tons more videos like this coming out. So if you enjoyed this video, smash the like button and remember to subscribe if you haven't already. We're so close to hitting our 1,000 subscriber mark, and we're looking forward to seeing you at that milestone. You guys have a great day.